Hi, my name is Patricia Bennett, and I have been helping companies select and implement software for the last 30 years. Today, I want to talk about dirty data. I was at a conference last week. They were talking about dirty data, and I thought I would talk about it today. Dirty data is very important to clean up before you start your implementation. Typically, you have customers that may not have complete addresses or you haven't done business with for a long time. Fix the records and get rid of the ones that you're not doing business with. Same thing with your vendors. With inventory items, you may have items that have been discontinued for years. Make sure that your inventory counts are accurate. Make sure your employees have all the necessary information to implement payroll. So before you change your business software, make sure your data is clean. Just remember, garbage in, garbage out. Clean your data because dirty data is not going to help. And you're going to invest a lot of time and money in implementing a new software. And if you don't have good data coming out, then you're wasting your money. Clean your data. Remember, my name is Patricia Bennett. I have been helping companies for the last 30 years implement and select software for their businesses. Thank you.